We will talk about the Gestalt principles in perception. To understand how we form our perception, the Gestalt principles are useful. The Gestalt principles describe the brain's organization of sensory building blocks into meaningful units and patterns. Now, let's take a look into the Gestalt principles with some examples. The first diagram illustrates the concept of proximity. It shows that things that are near each other are grouped together in our perception. The second diagram illustrates the concept of closure. You can see our brain tends to fill in gaps to perceive complete forms. For example, the three lines are perceived as a complete triangle instead of three disconnected lines. The upper diagram illustrates the concept of similarity. Things that are alike are perceived as belonging together. For example, you will perceive the solid stars as a group in the right-hand side diagram. In the lower diagram, the concept of continuity is illustrated. You will see continuity in lines that could be interpreted as either continuous or abruptly shifting in direction. Now, to check your understanding, which Gestalt principle is illustrated by the fact that we see columns rather than rows of dots in this diagram. Would it be similarity, closure, continuity, or proximity? The last thing to mention is that the Gestalt principle used to explain visual perceptions seem to also apply to auditory perception as well. For example, we can estimate the distance of a sound source by using loudness as a cue